Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Leo. I am so happy you are here with us today. Let me ask you a big question. Do you hate grammar rules? Do you hate memorizing long lists of verbs? Do you think, oh no, past tense, present perfect, future continuous, help? If you said yes, then this episode is for you. Today, we are going to learn a secret. How to speak English fluently without studying boring grammar books. And I am not alone today. I have a very special guest. She is a great English learner, and she loves to chat. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I am very happy to be here. But Leo, can I be honest?
Of course, Anna. What is wrong?
To be honest, I am feeling a little under the weather today.
Oh, no. You are feeling under the weather? That is a great phrase, Anna. But I am sorry you are sick. For our listeners, can you explain what under the weather means?
Sure. Under the weather is an idiom. It means I feel a little sick. Maybe I have a cold, maybe I have a headache. I am not terrible, but I am not 100% happy.
That is a perfect explanation. You look a little tired, Anna. Did you drink some hot tea?
Yes, I am drinking tea right now. My grandma says hot tea is the best medicine.
Grandmas are always right. So, Anna, you just used a great phrase, under the weather. Did you learn that phrase by studying grammar rules? Did you analyze the preposition under?
No, not at all. I just heard people say it in movies. I heard it in songs. I understood the meaning from the context. I didn't think about grammar.
Exactly. And that is our topic for today. Many students think they must study grammar rules for hours. They study subject plus verb plus object. But when they try to speak, they freeze. They stop. They say,
Yes, I know that feeling. It is very frustrating. Why does that happen, Leo?
It happens because speaking is fast. When you speak, you have no time to think. You have no time to open a grammar book in your head. If you think about rules, you will speak slowly. You will sound like a robot.
I am going to the store. Like that?
Exactly. Robots are cool, but we want to sound like humans. We want to flow like water. That is fluency.
So, if we don't study grammar books, what should we do? How do we learn?
The secret word is input.
Input. What does that mean?
Input means putting English into your brain. It means listening and reading. A lot. Think about a baby, Anna. Does a baby study grammar books?
No, babies cannot read. Babies just listen. They listen to their mom and dad. They listen all day.
Correct. They listen for 1 year or 2 years. They get a lot of input. Then one day, they start to speak. They say, mama, or milk. They don't know what a noun is, but they know how to ask for milk.
That makes sense. So, you are saying we need to be like babies?
A little bit, yes. We need to focus on listening and reading. This is how we learn patterns. When you hear a sentence many times, it becomes natural. You don't think about the rule, you just feel that it is right.
Okay, I like this idea. Listening is more fun than grammar exercises. But Leo, what should I listen to? Should I listen to the news?
The news can be difficult. If you are a beginner, the news is too fast. You should listen to things you understand. Maybe 70% or 80%. If you understand the general idea, that is perfect.
So, podcasts like this one.
Yes, podcasts for learners are great. Also, watch cartoons. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read simple books. Read stories.
I love watching TV shows. Sometimes I watch Friends. Is that good input?
Friends is excellent input. It's real conversation. They use slang. They use idioms like under the weather. When you watch it, don't try to analyze every word. Just enjoy the story. Focus on the meaning.
Focus on the meaning, not the grammar. I like that.
Yes, here is a very important difference, Anna. There is a difference between writing and speaking.
What is the difference?
When you are writing, you have time. You can sit. You can think. You can check a dictionary. You can check your grammar rules. So for writing, grammar rules are useful.
That is true. When I write an email, I want it to be perfect. I check my spelling.
Exactly. But when you are speaking, there's no time. It's an action. It's like playing football. You cannot stop the game to read a book about how to kick the ball. You just have to kick it.
That is a funny picture. So we need to practice the game of speaking.
Yes. And the best way to prepare for the game is to watch the game. Listen to native speakers. Copy them. We call this shadowing. You hear a phrase, and you repeat it.
Can I try? I hear you say, input is the secret. So I say, input is the secret.
Perfect. Do you know why that works? Because your mouth learns the movement. Your brain remembers the sound. You are not thinking, input is a noun, is a verb. You just say the sentence.
This feels much more relaxing. I always feel stressed about grammar. I worry about making mistakes.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are trying. If you focus on the meaning, people will understand you. If you say, yesterday I go to the shop, it's a grammar mistake. It should be went. But Anna, did you understand me?
Yes, I understood. You went to the shop yesterday.
Exactly. Communication is the most important thing. Fluency comes from confidence, and confidence comes from having a lot of input.
So, Leo, let's make a plan for our listeners. What should they do this week?
Great idea. Here is your homework for the week, everyone. Step 1. Stop worrying about grammar rules for 1 week. Close your textbook.
Wow, that is scary, but exciting. Okay, step 1, no grammar books. What is step 2?
Step 2, increase your input. Every day, listen to English for 15 minutes. You can listen to a podcast. You can watch a YouTube video. You can listen to a song.
Only 15 minutes? That is easy. I can do that while I drink my tea or while I'm on the bus.
Yes, consistency is key. A little bit every day is better than 5 hours on Sunday. Step 3. Try to read one short story or read one article in simple English.
I like stories. Stories help me remember words.
And remember, focus on the message. What is the person saying? How do they feel? Don't look for the grammar rules. Look for the story.
This makes learning English sound fun again. I was feeling under the weather, but now I feel inspired.
I'm glad to hear that, Anna. English should be fun. It is a tool to connect with people. It is not a math test.
Thank you, Leo. I will. Thank you for having me.
And thank you to all our listeners. You are doing a great job. Remember, input, input, input. Listen, read, and enjoy.
If you've liked this episode, please give us a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe to the channel. We have many more fun topics coming soon. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to get English input? Do you like movies, songs, podcasts? Let us know.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.